Despite ceasefire agreement, Pakistan launches drone attack. No nation support terrorism and extremists. Chief Minister Dr.Manik Saha strongly condemns against the extreme behavior of Pakistan. Pakistan has finally decided to bow down before India after consecutive attacks. Pakistan chose peace over violence in the end. India and Pakistan have agreed to a ceasefire on land, sea and air effective from 5 p.m. on Saturday. But in less than 3 hours of the announcement of ceasefire, drones were spotted in Srinagar, Udhampur and other parts of the Jammu region. Blackouts were enforced in several areas across Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab and Rajasthan as a precaution amid what marks another Pakistani drone intrusion in a series of nighttime provocation. Speaking during the briefing, Foreign Secretary Bikram Misri said it is a Pakistani action that have constituted provocation and escalations. Moreover, free hand was given to Indian Army to neutralize Pakistan. Likewise, Chief Minister Dr.Manik Saha strongly condemned Pakistan terrorism. Despite ceasefire agreement, Pakistan launched drone attack. No nation support terrorism and extremism. Chief Minister Dr.Manik Saha said this while speaking at the blood donation camp organized by Bandamalipur Sri Sri Ram Thakur Seva Mandir on Sunday.
Everywhere it happens. Depends upon circumstances, and internationally also we have to decide. So for time being, already a declaration has been made for ceasefire, and I think against the terrorism or terrorist, our fight will remain intact.
But can we believe really Pakistan, when even after ceasefire, yesterday we have seen they have continued sending drones and shells towards India. They have violated.
I have also noticed, and ultimately they have withdrawn. And let's see in future what they do.
The Chief Minister encouraged the blood donors on this day during the event. Reported by Amit from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.